user's guide to the LGV driver. This video concerns the new Renault series, I think it's the T series truck, where the location of the computer menu button, if you like, if that's the right word, it's where you find it to scroll through your settings on your menu. So if I switch the truck on, this is the startup process. That's fine. Now on the steering wheel, this is the right hand side, you have this menu button. If I press that, that's what you get. Now if you press it again, nothing happens. It just stays the same. But actually, funny enough, after a few seconds it reverts back to the setting. So I press it, I get that. If you leave it a few seconds, it'll just revert back to the screen that you started with. There you go. So where is the scroll button, if you like? So back to this menu button on the steering wheel, press it, that takes it back to there, and also that's a return, takes it back. So once you're in this setting, to scroll the icons across or to get into the sub menus, you have to find the button that does it. Now to the right, if I can get it in focus, to the right of the steering column, just down here underneath, is a lot of buttons for the radio, changing the frequencies, the settings, the stations, the bands, etc. And a lot of people think that it's to do with that. It isn't. If you look, if you look underneath the steering wheel itself, on this right spoke, in effect behind this button underneath, you'll feel, and I'll see if I can show you in a minute, you'll feel like it's probably about 1 inch, 2 centimeters long wheel, little barrel wheel, and that's what you press and turn. So if I can see if I can show it, yeah, it's that one there. Just there. So back to the settings, press the menu button. Now put my hand under the steering column, press it. Now we get into the sub settings and the sub menus. Rolling the barrel button up and down, or around if you like, takes you up and down. Clicking on it or pressing it brings you up. Pressing it again, this particular windscreen, this window is an exit window, so that takes you back. I'm going to press the steering wheel exit button to take you back. Now moving across the screen, I'm just rolling the barrel button underneath the steering wheel on the right hand side, and then that takes you to get into each setting, if you like, each sub menu. Just press it, scroll down, scroll up. Well, that's where you find all your, to exit, press the roller button, or same thing, you can press the return button on the steering column, take you back as well.
So